This is Scott Soulliere, Lexus of Las Vegas, located at 6600 West Sahara, telephone number 702-942-6600. What I'd like to talk about today is the Lexus Parking Assist. What I like about it is that you have multiple locations for the parking assist. You have in the front, the back, 2 fronts, and the 2 rear. So you have about 6 locations that the Lexus Parking Assist alerts you that you might hit into something. So for instance, what we're going to do is, as you can tell right now where it says Parking Assist, go from off to make sure it's on. And then what we're going to do, we're going to throw it in reverse here. And if you notice up on the screen, because I'm back to the wall here, the Lexus Parking Assist lights up and shows that in 3 different locations, if you look on the screen here, the 2 sides of the back corner panels and directly in back of us is letting us know there's an object or something blocking us that we might run into. So insurance companies love this feature. So it helps out a lot to prevent any little fender benders or hitting something that you may not see that's directly behind you. For more features, exciting features and safety features this car has to offer, please contact me, Scott Soulliere, Lexus of Las Vegas, 702-942-6600.